Hi, I'm Aishwarya. I head marketing at Ola. Leo's been our agency for the last year and a half, and I've interacted with them for the last year. So, just a couple of things. Um, I think that being a startup, our timelines are crazy to say the least, and also we expect really, really good quality at the timelines that we have. And I think the first thing I'd like to say is that Leo is works extremely in an agile fashion. So whether it's a digital set of films or whether it's a TV film, I think they have the ability to sort of pull off, what we need. That's the first. I think the agility. I think the second is the ability to just understand the brief and understand the tonality and the brand. I think that they have really good creative folks as well as a great client team which sort of understands what really the brand needs and delivers on it. And I think the third is, I think the team really takes accountability. It's not like there's an agency client relationship demarcation that is there between us, right? We are all partners and we work towards the same goal, which is making the brand visible, making the brand memorable. I think they really partner us in that front. So really, I think I definitely recommend Leo.
So this is my second experience of working with Leo Burnett. Worked with them when I was the CMO of Overdex, and we are currently engaged with Leo Burnett at Car Deco also. There are two or three things that stand out over these two stints for me. First is the fact that it's always all hands on deck. I've always had very easy access to the topmost management, and the teams have always pulled in people from different teams also, as and when the work has demanded that. So I've always found the team to be very, very flexible in terms of putting in the best resource for the job on hand. It's a very young, energetic, dynamic team, which is also buffered with senior people, experienced people. So it's a great combination that I see at Leo Burnett. One thing that I really like about Leo Burnett is, and I think it's in their DNA, they're always thinking of newer solutions and not really just doing what always has been done. So whatever comes on my table is something which I haven't seen before most of the time. So that's quite exciting to find in a partner. There's good chemistry between the teams. We enjoy working together, and I think those are some of the recipes of success for a successful partnership. So yeah, that's what I think about Burnett and our partnership and my personal partnership with them through OLX and Car Deco.
They've been wonderful partners so far. Being a young startup and a fast-moving environment has its own challenges for an agency to deal with. On one hand, you have urgent briefs in terms of very short timelines that they need to deliver on, and on the other hand, there's always this expectation that they need to come on board as strategic partners, to help shape the vision of the brand ahead, not just from an immediate term perspective, but also from a mid to a long term perspective. And on both these factors, I think the experience that we've had with Leo Burnett Orchard so far has been extremely positive. The team has also been super responsive in terms of servicing. They've sort of always been there to have our back, in difficult times as well. For example, the first couple of months for COVID, there was a lot of flux, and we were relying on them to a great extent to pull the creative strength, and the strategic direction to support us. And we've not found them wanting in those areas. I think one more thing that we really appreciate about the partnership is the kind of access to leadership that we get, and leadership not just from a planning or a strategy perspective, but also from a creative perspective. Although you have a fixed team that's working on the account, but if the need be, I think they're extremely nimble in terms of pulling in other creative resources who are not on the account, but can add a slightly different take, a different creative thinking.
Hey guys, my name is Varun. I head marketing for Corona at AB InBev. I've been working with Leo Burnett now for about 6 months, and my entire experience with them has been very positive. We came to them with a unique problem of getting meaning to the brand in India, and just the whole approach of how strategic the input was, matched with the creative articulation of it, which has real cut through. And at the same time being flexible in terms of the turnaround times, in terms of just incorporating all the feedback that we have from a brand's perspective, ultimately creating a proposition for the brand that is super aligned with the vision. And I've just had a great experience working with them, and I look forward to working with them in the future as well.